Hey kids, so this is Mrs. Arnold, and this is my mealworm booklet, and everybody should have finished the front cover, and if you wanted to, you could name your mealworm. I am going to lead you through some of the measurements and observations with my own mealworm book, and I've chosen one little guy for us to observe over the next few weeks, and I named him Eric. Eric is my brother, and he would be proud to know that I named the mealworm after him. So anyway, here's my mealworm. And one thing we didn't do was label all the parts of mealworms. I'll take a bigger picture of this mealworm and put it in Google Classroom so you can label it in your own journal. Then the very next page, if you've already written your mealworm name down and did a little measurement before we left for school, that's fine. You don't have to do this page. But if you need to get caught up, then here we go. So here's Eric, and I was trying to figure out when he was born. I know that they're eggs for about 4 weeks, and they're in the larva stage for about 8 to 10 weeks. So I took today's date and I subtracted 6 weeks. I put 6 or 7 there, I subtracted 6 weeks. So this little guy was approximately an egg on January 27th, 2020. I'm going to take him out here so you can observe him, and then I will attempt to get his length. So here we go. Here is his little habitat. It has an E on it for Eric. And if I take him out, maybe he'll stay still enough. He's moving around quite a bit. Maybe he'll stay still enough for me to measure him. I don't know if that's the one we want. This one's turning a little light. Might be going into the larval stage. Now, Eric, where did you go? Here he is. Oh, he's a big guy. Oops, I lost him again. All right, now he's not quite straight. Remember, scientists use centimeters. So if I measure him, straighten out, little buddy. He's moving. He is approximately 2.5 centimeters. There's 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter, so we can count by tens, 10, 20, and then there's 25. And yes, he's moving, he's a little curled up. But I would estimate he's about 25 millimeters or 2.5 centimeters. I'm gonna write that down for you here. 2.5 centimeters or 25. The abbreviation for millimeters is mm. He's crawling out of the screen there. So that's what you could write for the length. Again, I'll take a picture of this page. I still have to do my drawing. And then I want you to look at this other guy here. I'm wondering if maybe, since he's kind of pale and getting fat, maybe he's going into a larval stage. Pupa stage, so we'll keep track of that. So there you go, kids. You can add to your journals, and we'll do this again in a few days, maybe up to a week, waiting for changes. And here comes Eric, ready to say bye-bye. Bye, guys.